I once had a client say to me, Alister, this is great, this work, right? But are you not shattered of having to try so hard to be awake and bring your attention to all these things? And I said, at first, it requires effort, right? At first it requires conscious awareness, and remembering that is the challenge. But over time, as you become more adept, over time as you become more aware, over time as you become more, let's say, aware that you're noticing, you become better at noticing things about yourself and about the world around you, then it becomes easier because it becomes a natural part of your DNA. And you'll listen to me on these sessions, and a lot of the time I've done that through asking myself questions. Are these thoughts helping or harming me? When it comes to complaints, I love asking, is what I'm complaining about even relevant? Does the complaint make my life any better? What would happen if I let this complaint go? And when I begin to ask those what questions, we call them wisdom access questions in coaching, then I tap into a deeper part of myself, a deeper, wiser, more truer representation of the I am.